perfectly poached egg is a lovely thing. I'm going to be using a large egg and all of our eggs are free range. Now I'm starting with a saucepan of just gently simmering water. To that I'm going to add a splash of white wine vinegar. And that will help the egg to set. And I've cracked my egg into a small bowl and that just makes it easier to slip into the water. We're going to use a classic method of creating a whirlpool which will help shape the egg. Just really give the water a good swirl, and the fresher the egg, the better the final shape will be. I'm just going to gently slip the egg into the centre. And you can see as it continues to swirl, it's going to give us a really nice firm shape. Now you just need to leave this for about 3 or 4 minutes until it's just set. The method is below in the description. Now my egg looks pretty perfect to me, so I'm just going to gently scoop it out and then just drain it very lightly on some kitchen paper. And then I'm serving mine in my favourite way, avocado on toast. And for more recipes, click to subscribe.